Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Mavado just dropped a new song titled God Nah Sleep. So we're gonna check out the song right now, and it's been a while Mavado drop a new song, so glad to see that the Gully God is back on the music scene and dropping music and all of these other things. So we're gonna check out the song and see what Mavado talk about and see what the visuals and everything are. Alright, so here we go. So right off the bat, you can see that Mavado used the clip of his son. Mavado's son Dante was released from prison by the Court of Appeal, Judge Justice Marvin McDonald Bishop, and Mavado used that clip, celebrating the release of his son because he fought so hard, tirelessly, to make sure that his son was out of prison, and justice was served, to his son. Where Mavado, the Florida or Jamaica? Buck. Yo, tell you something. Mavado are one of them artists in a dancehall that have melody, sweet, melodious music. Mavado will always deliver. Mavado said when you come from a certain place, they don't show love. So when you come from the ghetto and the inner city, when you come from the slump, people automatically, disrespect you. As opposed to when you come from other places and people know that people are aware that you are from these places, then you get automatic respect. Your respect is automatic when you come from the Beverly Hills, the Cherry Garden, and all of these other places in Jamaica. And if you take it worldwide, when you come from other places, wherever you are from, whenever other people come from other places, say those people get more respect than the people that other people are aware of them coming from. Round a one little corner around us, live on a one little board house or whatever, but Mavado also said when you come from a certain race, it's also difficult. So basically, the world of fight where black people been getting over the years. The history is there to show it, and the police brutality and all of these other things that take place mostly in America, and mostly in Jamaica. Sometimes you have colorism and all of these other things when it comes to, complexion and all that and stuff like that. So Mavado used Vybz Kartel image of Vybz Kartel walking out of prison with Sidem, his fiance, and also with Bright Light, from Bright Light Funeral Home. And that is just showing that the same hardship of Vybz Kartel face and the unfairness within Vybz Kartel case is the same unfairness and hardship Mavado's son face in his case. So Mavado once did an interview, said him and Vybz Kartel share the same struggles, and stuff like that. So just like, Mavado understand what Vybz Kartel was going through in the sense of, through his son, So big up to Mavado, big up to Vybz Kartel, and big up to Dante, same will get released. Yeah, man. Me like that. Mavado said, Mama and Papa did tell me the truth. So Mavado said, yo, him mother and him father raised him in a way where the truth is being hidden, right? The truth is being hidden from the people, and you have to go out there and expose yourself to the truth and seek the truth. Seek the truth and you will get it, And his parents did that, and his parents shared that knowledge with him, wisdom and understanding, and him pass it on to him son them him kids them nonetheless. And he's now aware of the truth. He's now aware of the lies that they are telling. And Mavado, him said something right there. So yes, Mavado said them create OnlyFans and these other things as to make women more sexual and sexualize all of these other things and getting younger as soon as them turn 18, literally teenagers just turn 18, them already create OnlyFans, you know what I mean, I have these old predator man them you know what I mean on site, and all of these other things where you know but them been doing in the media, you know what I mean, normalizing and popular popularizing you know what I mean, sex and everything like that. So yeah, man, I love the message in that song, yeah, and you know the song is so sweet. God not sleep. Powerful message from Mavado. Love the message from Mavado. You know what I mean? For Mavado been off the scene for a while and come back with a song like this. And this is dancehall embracing back God again. There was a time I be a demon and all of these and that. I mean, it's still there, but it's good to see, you know, the mega superstars like Vybz Kartel and Mavado dropping songs like this. And I mean, God not sleep. God is the greatest. Love to see it. Love to see Vybz Kartel dropping a hit song, one the biggest song of 2025 so far, and Mavado coming again and dropping a God Not Sleep song, and I mean, and saying, yo, God Not Sleep, God see everything will happen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So powerful song, you know. Place, oh, love, faith. I tell you the truth, just by listening to that song a while ago, I really get emotional. I look back on, you know what I mean, where Mavado come from them time now when him just rise up from Alliance and them thing there, and me even look back from where I am coming from, you know what I mean? And just like how Vybz Kartel song God is the greatest is a touching song, you know what I mean? And Mavado drop a song like this, so melodious and sweet, and also a touching song. When you listen to it, you just have to reflect, you know what I mean? You just have to reflect on your life, have to reflect on your journey, and even and count your blessings, you know what I mean? Count your blessings and know say the system is designed a way, and you have a certain you have the oligarchs and them people that owe them design the system, and it's so systemic and set in a way where the poor will continue to be poor until something is changed within the system. You know what I mean? So mama and papa they tell me the truth. You know what I mean? And it's important for us as parents, even though we're not a parent yet, but it's important for us as parents to tell our kids the truth. You know what I mean? How we are gonna have your little 17-year-old just turned 18 and already gonna create OnlyFans. Where she get that the influence from to go create OnlyFans and start show man her body parts and all of these things for money? Come on, man, make it make sense. You know what I mean? So I love to see what Mavado do right now. Yeah, man. And as me say, I'm not sure if Mavado was in Jamaica or not, but it does seem like it does look like Jamaica at first, but I don't know. It might be Florida, it might be some other place, you know what I mean, in America. But, you know, cause them still want Mavado, right? The police them say them still have arrest warrant and all as these things active for the artist same way, but the artist now pray that. You see me? So big up Mavado, wicked song, bad song, you know what I mean? God not sleep. This is where we're gonna leave it. God is the greatest. I'm out.